It's all but official. Arvind Kejriwal is all set to take on Narendra Modi in Uttar Pradesh's Varanasi. Aam Aadmi Party volunteers have been instructed to reach Banaras. In fact, many senior volunteers are already on their way. Kejriwal is going to announce the plan, in fact, today at the rally in Bangalore that is going to start, that have already started, and he will speak anytime now. A formal announcement, in fact, will be made in a big rally at Banaras on March 23rd. So what we are expecting today at the rally in Bangalore is an announcement from Arvind Kejriwal, the first clear indication that he will take on Narendra Modi. He will also say that the party has decided to organize a big rally in Banaras on 23rd of March, and he will ask volunteers to reach Banaras for this massive show of strength. Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, tweeted just 15 minutes after Headlines Today first aired the story. And in that tweet, Kejriwal said, "Many people asking me, will I contest against Modi ji? I will talk on the issue today in the rally in Bangalore." Aam Aadmi Party leader Alka Lamba also tweeted that she has been asked to leave for Varanasi and help the party win the battle.
Arvind Kejriwal's second day in Karnataka, he is doing a roadshow in Chikballapur, and you can see how he's communicating with people, volunteers of Aam Aadmi Party, as well as people and voters who could possibly be reaching out to Aam Aadmi Party or voting for them. And along with him is the candidate of the Aam Aadmi Party who will be standing in Chikballapur for the party. But most importantly, as you can see, Arvind Kejriwal will also be addressing a rally in Freedom Park in Bangalore, and this rally is known to be important for the simple reason that Arvind Kejriwal will announce, which we get to know from our sources, that he will be contesting from Varanasi, right opposite Narendra Modi, because Mr. Kejriwal has been saying that he will contest from whichever constituency Mr. Narendra Modi is contesting from, and that is the big announcement that we're expecting coming from Freedom Park in Bangalore when he finishes and completes his visit of Karnataka and finally ends his two-day tour in Karnataka in Freedom Park in Bangalore. With Cameron Madhu, Rohini Swami in Chikballapur for Headlines Today.
Big indication as far as the contest in Varanasi is concerned, going to be announced in Bangalore. Rohini Swami is now joining us on the phone line from Bangalore. Rohini, what are the preparations? The rally has already started. When is Arvind Kejriwal expected to speak now?
Well, as of now, we can see that the venue has nearly around 500 to 600 volunteers who have joined in. The loads of skits and dances that are taking place to ensure it's not really just for Aam Aadmi voters, as well as people who are here to be here to listen to Arvind Kejriwal. We've seen all the candidates of Aam Aadmi Party who have come and gathered on one stage here, and Arvind Kejriwal is expected to come in any time now. They're saying he'll be in the next 10 to 15 minutes, and after which he will address people here. The whole idea is, at this point of time, we know is that Arvind Kejriwal is expected to make a major announcement here in Bangalore, in Freedom Park, that where he will contest elections, and as we know now, that he will be announcing the fact that he will be contesting elections in Varanasi opposite Narendra Modi.
Right, and is he already on the stage? When are we expecting him to speak, Rohini?
In some time, because Arvind Kejriwal has not arrived yet. He's expected another 10 to 15 minutes, after which we are expecting Arvind Kejriwal to start speaking.
Thank you so much, Rohini, for bringing us all that update. Rohini will be tracking that rally for our viewers. We will know first on Headlines Today about the plan as far as Varanasi is concerned from the party chief Arvind Kejriwal.